But of course, you guys want to see what's inside the packaging itself. In this little sleeve, we have the K75 Lite here. Got the KZZI right there on the top. We have this nice smoky gradient side printed keycaps on this one. Go ahead and turn on the keyboard itself. See some of these RGB bleeding through. And now we do have the lights on, which will turn those off here in just a moment to see that. But we do have at the top is the 2.4. Next is Bluetooth and then off. Now, if you want to use this in wired mode, you do have to switch it to off. Once you plug it in right here with the USB-C, you will be able to use it in wired mode. Now, you can see the other two poverty ports, as I like to call it, similar to cars. This is just a model that you don't get fancier things, which is where the Pro and the Dazzling comes into play. But if you do get those models, you will have those ports. Now, switch to the back. We do have the double height feet. You have two different versions all built in. We do have the spot for the USB dongle on there. And then we have the little sticker here showcasing the information for you as far as the model, the battery, and all the other regulatory information that you probably don't need. So we'll go ahead and switch these lights off so you guys can see more of the RGB here. And so being able to see this nice, vibrant wave of RGB going across here. And if we get this focused in, we can see the side printed letters. Absolutely fantastic. I love the way this thing looks. And again, those 5 layers of sound dampening, and of course the flex cut that is in the board itself will make for a great typing experience and a great sound, which will also have a sound test here as well later on in the video. But first, we'll go ahead and check out the switches themselves. We can see here that these are the Purple Rain ones that we saw earlier that we had some extras for. You can see the LEDs on the south side are coming straight through it, and they look fantastic. And again, these are pre-lubed. The actuation for them is great. The travel distance is awesome, as we talked about. And honestly, just a smooth experience all around for these. Now, we'll go ahead and pull one of these guys out here. And so underneath here, we can see a little bit of a white piece underneath that top casing as we turn this thing to the side just a little bit. And if we look inside of here, you can see that white foam, which that also helps with the dampening of the sound of the keys being pressed down and helps absorb some of that and creates a nice solid typing experience. Go ahead and put this guy back in here. Now, of course, we talked about earlier, those keycaps are MDA keycaps, and these are absolutely fantastic. You can see through, side printed, fantastic keys.